What's good, Rocket City Classic Cars, back with another video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We got my 740i 2001 E38. I haven't driven it in a while. Had some battery issues, but I went ahead and just got a new battery. So as you can see, it's pretty dirty. Just doing a little walk around, but I think I have some time and chain guide issues on it. I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up and let you all listen to it. But it's pretty much time for a time and chain guide job. Got a new battery in there, Duralast. Empire is still looking good. They're dirty, but still looking good. Kind of dusty, you know. I haven't really done much to it, but for the most part, it's a good car. But let me go ahead and crank it up for y'all so you guys can listen to it. Yeah, definitely a bummer, man. I wanted to drive this thing this summer, but yeah. But the good thing is I do have another E38. It's a 740iL. Not as nice as this one because I like the sport model, but let me go ahead and crank this up. Guys, I already hear it. Pop the hood. Still need that piece right there. I know it's probably letting water in too, but I keep it covered. Oh, it started raining, but yeah. That's what I'm working with right now. As you guys can see, license plate light, 176,000 miles, but yeah, so I've already got that set up with my guy as far as letting him know that the time and chain guides are they're ready to be replaced. So with that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the valve cover gasket, the oil pan gasket, Vano seals, crank seals, time and chain tensioner, all that good stuff, because you know that's what they recommend while you're in there. Yeah, man, I was ready to take this thing on the road. Of course, you guys are still see I need to get my my radio installed. With that, I think I'm missing some pieces or some a harness in the rear. Yeah, so what I'm gonna do is swap this one out with the one that should be finished in a couple of weeks. I know you guys have been waiting on that one. It's been a long process, but it's nice. I will say that. I will say that it's a 2001 740iL. It's the same as this one, but it has gray interior, no black interior, gray interior. Yeah, so there you have it, folks. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with the build. And I got some other cars coming too. Got some other cars coming. Well, there you have it. I'm out. Yeah.